winds, quite strong winds as well, affecting parts of Scotland down through the Irish Sea and those exposed areas. They're going to be with us, I think, for the next couple of days, so we are going to see temperatures get slightly lower. And also a fair blanket of cloud covering much of Britain as well. Not everywhere is seeing the rain, but there certainly are some bits and pieces of rain shown on the radar here. If we show the radar sequence all the way through the morning into the early part of the afternoon, we can see that there are bands of perhaps more persistent rain around in the Irish Sea and across northern parts of England. And of course, up over the hills and mountains is giving sleet and snow. Now, some of the heaviest rain's been in the West Country. Here we've had 15 millimetres in just 12 hours. And we can see on our radar picture there's been some quite heavy bursts of rain now moving along the English Channel and moving into the near continent over the next few hours. Now, some of that rain has also caused problems in the catchment area of the River Severn. And really along the River Severn between Telford and Kidderminster, there could still be a risk of some flooding. The red alert continuing for this particular stretch of the river. Now, for the rest of the afternoon, we are going to see a bit more of that rain at times. There will be a little bit of brightness trying to get through, but not a great deal. And in fact, across the northern and northeastern parts of England, as well as eastern parts of Scotland, I think we're going to see rather thicker cloud, giving some outbreaks of sleet and rain, perhaps even some snow over the hills and mountains, and some of that sleet even lower down. And a very keen north or northwesterly breeze, really holding the temperatures down. The best temperatures along the south coast of 7 or 8 degrees. Now, that's the big picture. We can see the clump of clouds somewhere covering the British Isles. That's the area of low pressure we have with us. It will eventually start to move out the way, but it's going to take its time. So we're in for these northerly winds at least until the back end of the weekend. And as we move into the early part of next week, we start to see this new area of low pressure move through. It will change the wind direction. We'll see southerly winds come in on that system, and that does mean we are going to see it get a little bit milder. But at least for the next 2 days, it is going to remain cold. A blanket of cloud along this weather front, along those eastern coastal areas, will mean here we'll stay above freezing. But certainly for more inland areas, we're looking at quite a sharp frost. That's all from me. Bye for now.